I'm Dr. Coach Johnson, head Olympic scientist. Each day this week, we're gonna do an experiment together. It's gonna be super fun. Today, we're gonna make an Olympic torch, but there's no fire, nobody's gonna get burnt. The Olympic torch gets passed hand to hand and runner and walker to runner and walker until part of it goes to light the big Olympic cauldron that burns throughout the whole Olympic Games. Let's get ready to make our Olympic torches. Hi, scientists. For today's experiment, you need the following things. A small measuring spoon, like a tablespoon would be perfect. A small cup, we're gonna do some mixing in there. Some food coloring. Vegetable oil, a funnel, if you have one, a plastic fork, and then a water bottle. This has to be filled up 2/3 of the way with warm water. I'll wait while you get your supplies ready. Okay, scientists, we're gonna start with our vegetable oil. This is something that an adult should be helping you with. You're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of oil into the little cup. I'm going to do a little bit more because I'm using quite a big water bottle. So I'm going to do a little bit more than you're going to do. You see that? We've got a cup full of oil. Okay, we'll put the cap back on the vegetable oil so we don't spill it. Then we're going to put 2 drops of whatever food coloring colors you want into the vegetable oil. I'm going to do a couple more because, like I said, I have a little bit more oil. So 2 drops of every color, okay? Into the oil. You can see they make little bubbles, right? Little tiny balls of color. Looks kind of cool already, I think. And after we do that, we're going to take our fork and we're going to stir that very lightly, okay? Oh, that looks funny, doesn't it? Do you see all the little colors changing? Here, let's get you a better view here. Look at this. Look at my colors. Look at how funny they look. All right, now you've got your oil all stirred up. This next part, I think you're gonna wanna, you are definitely gonna wanna let an adult help with, but we're gonna fit our funnel in here. We're gonna pour in our oil. Zoop. Get all those colors in there. Here's what our bottle looks like right now. It's foaming up. Foaming up. Here we are as we watch the colors fall through the oil. Look at that. That's our Olympic flame today. Doesn't that look like fire? All those colors mixing around like that? We'll talk about the science of that in a minute, but let's just watch for a second. You can see the oil is all up here, isn't it? And this is all the water down here with our colors in it. Can you see it mixing, mixing, mixing? Now I shook mine up again just to see what would happen. And here we see the bubbles. All the oil is coming up to the top because it's lighter than the water. Now this just kind of looks oogie down here, doesn't it? I guess that only works once. I hope your torches turned out beautifully. But why does this happen? Molecules are tiny bits of something. In this case, they're little bits of oil and little bits of water. The little bits of oil are attracted together. They want to hang out together. And the little bits of water are attracted to each other. They want to hang out together. The little bits of oil and water don't want to mix. They are something called immiscible. Great word. Fun word. Oil will always rise to the top and the water will always float to the bottom because the oil has less density than the water. Density is how close the molecules are together. So how close the little bits of oil are, they're less close than how close the little bits of water are. So they rise to the top.
Hello Olympians, my name is Albert Einstein. You may know my famous equation, E=mc². Today's Olympic value is respect. Here are some things I think about respect. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. Everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is not good enough. And do you see I have a mustache?